Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, heated front seats, electronic stability control, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.